definition of terms, ano po yung risk profile, at sinong may hawak ng pera ng taong bayan na nakalaan sa PhilHealth. Simple lang po maaring sa Filipino tayo magsalita para maintindihan dahil gusto rin namin malaman. Salamat po.
Mr. Chair.
Pakisagot lang po na yung exact amount talaga ng reserve fund ninyo.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Based on our financial report, Mr. Chair, this one is October 2024. Our reserve fund is in the amount of 281 billion pesos. This reserve fund is provided in the law that the PhilHealth should set up a reserve fund equivalent for its 2 years operation. So 281 billion pesos. And we have a surplus of 150 billion pesos, meaning from our members' equity minus the reserve fund of 281